Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this cranberry lace closure wig right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It came in this cute packaging, and the packaging comes with an eyelashes, a wig cap, and the gorgeous hair. Look at the curls straight from the box, guys. The curls are popping. I love the curls pattern straight from the box, and I love the fact that the hair is really full and very silky to touch. So the hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. If you're the type that like baby hair, you're definitely in for a treat. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, and I love the construction of the cap. It's glueless. You can wear the hair without any glue or gel. It has 3 combs at the front and also 1 comb at the back, and it has an adjustable strap as well, so you can actually install your hair with the elastic strap, or you can use the comb in the construction of the cap to secure your hair, and you will be good to go. But as always, I like to install my hair with glue so that I can be able to wear the hair for a while and give you guys the tea about the hair when I'm doing this voiceover. So yeah, as I speak, I'm still wearing the hair. The hair is super duper soft and very voluminous, and I love the fact that you can wear the hair wet or you can wear the hair dry, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you're going for that Diana Ross kind of look, you definitely be wearing the hair dry, and if you're going for, you know, that Jerry Curl natural kind of look, then you can actually spray your hair with water or any products of your choice. So what I'm basically doing is to apply the gel or glue on the areas where I actually wanted to place the lace, then place the lace on the areas where I apply the glue, and then spray the hair conditioner on the lace and apply my elastic band, and the lace is melted like straight off. You don't have to stress or do anything to install this hair. It's very easy to install. I love the, you know, lace of this wig. It's super soft and very easy to work with, and I love the fact that the hair straight from the box is popping. You don't have to do much to install the hair. As you guys can tell, you can actually cut the lace and use the elastic strap to secure your hair, and you'll still be good to go. But I like to go extra by, you know, doing the extra just to show you guys how far you can go with your hair. And then voila, I cut the lace, apply the glue, and we are good to go. Look at that. Super easy, very simple, and yeah, I am loving it. So this is the part where I don't really normally do, but because a lot of you guys always say, oh Lillian, we like baby hair, show us baby hair, do baby hair. I'm not a baby hair fan, but as you guys always ask for it, I'll do it. And yeah, that was it. But do not judge me, I'm not a baby hair fan, but I did it anyway, just for you guys, just for you guys. I love this hair. I love the shaping of the hair. It was really quick, and I love the fact that the hair is also true to length. I love the fact that the quality of the hair is amazing. For the price, you are definitely going to get amazing quality. I am loving it. Look at that. The hair the curls just pop up straight off just by applying water on the hair. Ignore the lace cap for a bit. And yeah, I love the hair, and I really can't, you know, recommend it enough, because the hair is super duper soft, no tangling, no shedding, no nasty smell. The hair is just amazing, and the fact that the hair is super silky to touch and soft is just one of the amazing things I love about the hair. Look at that. Look at that. The curls are popping. Look at that. I was actually feeling myself, and I had to keep showing you guys, like, the quality of the hair is just stunning, just amazing. If you guys don't know Cranberry Hair, they are one of the amazing brands that I've worked with before. The quality of their hair is always top notch, and this one is outstanding. Just loving the lace of this wig. Like seriously, the lace is super soft and very easy to work with. Look at that, guys. The curls are popping. Like, I really love the curls of this hair. So if you're the type that actually wear natural hair and you're looking for a protective style, I would definitely recommend that you go for this hair, because it gives that natural vibe look when you wear it wet. Either you wear it wet or, you know, dried. So it depends on you, depending on the look you're going for. As I said to you guys earlier, The hair is super duper easy to install, and if you're a novice and you don't know how to install your hair, you have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about. Just cut your legs and use the comb in the cap to secure your hair. As you guys can tell, I am feeling myself. I love this hair. Look at how bouncy the hair is. The hair is really full to the brim. I love the fact that all the strands of the hair are the same length. All the strands of the hair are the same length throughout the length of the hair. There is no, tangling, there is no shedding, there is no nasty smell, as I mentioned earlier. I am loving this hair. Yeah, stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this cranberry lace closure wig right here. I am loving it, guys. Look at that. The hair is really full. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the curl pattern of this hair. The curls were popping, like straight from the box. I'm like, hold on, the curls were really popping. I love the curl pattern of this hair. I love that all the curls were the same all through the length of the hair, which is really amazing. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is really soft. The quality of the hair is amazing. As you guys can tell, there's been no shedding or tangling throughout the styling of this hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling, and I love the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. The hair is super duper soft, like super duper soft. I can't just stop touching it. Like, no, don't judge my baby hair. I know a lot of you guys like baby hair, but it's not my thing. I don't really like doing it, but yeah, I did it because I knew a lot of you guys follow, subscribe to my channel, really like baby hair, so yeah, I did it for you guys. So don't judge me. What I like about the hair is the fact that it's very easy to install, and the lace of the wig is really soft and very easy to work with. I like the fact that I didn't have to struggle or stress to melt the lace of this wig. It was so soft and very easy to work with. And if you guys don't know Cranberry Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of lace wig on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have 360 lace wig, and they have all types of hair texture on their websites as well. If you visit their website, I'm sure you'll be able to find something for you and your loved ones. So another thing I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days for the hair to get to me, which is really amazing in my opinion. I love the fact that their shipping was really quick, and I love the fact that the construction of the cap is really neat and very sleek. And for all my divas that love baby hair, you are definitely in for a treat. The hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and I love the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about plucking your hair or customizing your hair as such, because the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. And also the cap of this wig is glueless. As you guys can tell, it has 3 combs at the front. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, meaning you can actually secure your hair without having to use any glue or gel, which is amazing because you don't always want to use glue or gel on your lace wig every now and then. Sometimes you just want to wear a wig and just go and off we go. So yeah, you have an option to use the elastic strap to also secure your wig without having to use any glue or gel, which is amazing in my opinion. I don't know how to use glue or elastic strap included in the wig is also a good option to install your hair. It's also amazing in my opinion. The most amazing thing I love about this hair is the quality of the hair. Basically, the quality of the hair is really good. As you guys can tell, it's really soft and very silky to touch. You don't have to worry about tangling or shedding at all, as I didn't experience any of that. And I love the fact that the hair is really full, and I love the fact that the hair is also true to length. As you guys can tell, the hair is long up to my back, up to my bum, which I would be showing you guys in a bit. So yeah, I love this hair a lot. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Cranberry Hair. They always have good quality hair, by the way, because I think I've worked with them 3 years ago and the quality of their hair was really good then, and now the quality of their hair is superb. So the quality of the hair is AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping is AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install this hair and the quality of the lace of this wig is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms terms of how soft and you know the fact that the hair does not tangle or shed is definitely a plus for me. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.